Hello, welcome to Rocky Biochem series. In this video, I will take you through the central dogma of molecular biology. So when we say the central dogma of molecular biology, what is it? Well, I could just say that the central dogma of molecular biology can be also known as the central dogma of life because it just explains how living organisms take up genetic information from each of their parents and how this information taken up gets transferred into generation of a fully blown living organism. James Watson and then Francis Crick are credited with the discovery of the central dogma of molecular biology. According to these guys, the central dogma of molecular biology involves the sequential transfer of genetic information. Aside James Watson and Francis Crick, Marshall Nirenberg, who won the Nobel Prize in Medicine and Physiology, can also be credited with the discovery of the central dogma of molecular biology. According to Nirenberg, DNA makes RNA and RNA makes protein. I think this particular information summarizes the whole of the central dogma of molecular biology. Based on where we've gotten, we've seen that we have three major players here. We have DNA, RNA, and then proteins. DNA and then RNA are nucleic acids, which are made up of nucleotides as their building blocks, and proteins are also made up of amino acids as their building blocks. So the genetic information of the cell is stored in the DNA. That's the DNA serves as the library of the cell, containing all the genetic information needed for the synthesis of RNA and then proteins. The genetic information stored in DNA can be restored in DNA when a copy of the DNA is made in a process called DNA replication. The information in DNA can be copied into RNA in a process called transcription. And then finally, the information stored in RNA can be used as a template for the synthesis of proteins in a process called translation. So the take-home message here is that in the central dogma of molecular biology, DNA makes RNA by the process of transcription, and then RNA makes protein by the process of translation. I hope this video has been helpful. Kindly subscribe. See you another time.